what is going on. So we're checking out a job on South Mercer Island, 5-port Fujitsu. We just got done pumping down and adding reefer to. This guy right over here on the side. So it's at 207 feet of line. Had to add 11.75 ounces of refrigerant to it. Was under pressure since Friday, held, looked really good. So went ahead and pumped down, did that. Give a little look at the site too. On the water here, Puget Sound. Go down the steps and get close to the water and give you a view of the back half of the house. So this was a remodel that they did, and they pretty much tore down the house, kept the foundation, and built on that, and still considered a remodel. Pretty nice house, right on the water. You got Boeing over there, place where they assemble planes. I'm not really sure what part of Boeing that is. Just a nice little view of the water. So we're wrapping up for today. We got done pumping down, adding refrigerant, releasing the refrigerant, and we still got a couple things to do on the inside, and maybe next time we'll get a video of what it's like on the inside. It's a couple concealed ducted units. I think they're all concealed ducted, all custom work. So we'll check that out next time. Thanks for watching.